Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are in Crosswinds and Nocatee, and I'm here with John with David Weekley Homes. And John is going to be walking us through a quick move-in home they currently have available. So John, please tell us where we're at.
Yes, we are at Crosswinds at 276 Sutton Drive. This beautiful Ready Now Seahorse plan offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths at 2,400 square feet.
Okay,
I'm excited for you to check it out.
let's see it. Love the exterior. Beautiful. Cute little porch area. All right.
And as you can see, this beautiful open foyer just flows right into the body of the home.
Oh yeah. So much natural light as soon as you walk in.
Right? Light and bright finishes. So it just lends itself to every different color palette that you want to decorate with.
Beautiful. I love this package. I love the countertops, the backsplash. I even like the pendants.
Right? Like we said, it's a very classic look and it allows a lot of flexibility.
Definitely.
When it comes to the design and style that you want to go with. So our designers do such a great job of, melding all those beautiful design options.
Absolutely. I love that you guys carried the tile all the way up through the vent there. This little, what are we calling this? A frosted door?
Yeah, frosted pantry. Yeah.
Frosted pantry. I think Carly's about to pan it. And then this little wine bar, coffee bar area is perfect.
Works great for a coffee and tea bar.
Absolutely.
And then a very unique feature of this plan offers this side patio that lends itself to a great conversation area and or even a barbecue area. So you're not having to go through the back of the home.
It's perfect.
When you're doing those ribs or chicken wings on the weekend.
Absolutely. You could let your dog out really quick while you're cooking dinner. And I love that the kitchen is open into this dining room and of course with a beautiful pendant that you guys chose for this space. Quite a large area too.
Very large. So those large family gatherings and events.
And I love it with the tray
space.
Definitely. And with the tray ceiling, it really separates the area.
And then another fun feature of this home is it offers this more formal family dining area and then the separate sitting area, the little sunroom space.
I love that. I haven't really seen that. And maybe that's just because I'm newer to walk through Wednesdays, but I love this plan. The architectural with the windows is so beautiful.
It has a little more drama and some natural light like you touched on. And then that beam follows through and adds a lot more elegance. And
oh, yeah. Oh, it follows through all the way to the patio.
Isn't that beautiful?
Great. I didn't even realize that before. So
Right?
I'm just as in awe as probably the viewers are. Beautiful.
This home has a lot of unique tidbits. Our feature level in the community has been improved on the last few homes. We're down to our last 14 homes.
Wow.
And so what's happened is the smooth walls and the more elegant lighting packages are now included features.
Definitely.
So our homes are very smartly priced.
Yeah.
And so I'm excited for people to get in contact with us to talk about what the promotions are with our financing, and then also the pricing promotions that we have.
Awesome. Beautiful laundry room, lots of
So
storage.
owners on the main and a convenient laundry on the main.
Love that.
So then that way those laundry runs are very quick and easy.
Yeah, definitely.
And then 3 secondary bedrooms upstairs allow all of that ruckus to stay up there.
Oh yeah. Oh, lots of natural light. Again, with the tray ceiling. I really love these floors. They're like very, as you said, very light and airy, and they're perfect for this house.
Easy to clean.
Yes.
And it keeps it very, very light and elegant.
Yes.
And then a spa-inspired bath.
Wow. Beautiful. It's a very wide space too.
Right, so you're getting
you
ready
can
in the morning.
literally walk past each other and not even touch.
No more elbow fighting while you're getting ready in the morning.
And I love the tile in the on the bottom of the shower. Beautiful.
And then that very large closet, just screaming for beautiful built-ins to
Perfect.
merchandise.
You got a linen closet. This is correct. Linen closet here. Awesome.
And then
So you can store all your towels.
your loo is here.
Perfect.
It's a nice private space.
Love that. One thing I would like to point out as we're walking through the primary again is you are so close to the school here. So if you've got littles, it would be a quick and easy walk for you.
It's walkable. It's a much easier commute for the whole family, of course.
Definitely. But it's so quiet. Like you don't notice it really if you don't have kids or anything like that. So
School's going on right now and
yep.
don't even know.
No way. Beautiful. Well, should we check out the powder bath first and then we'll head upstairs?
Absolutely. So as you mentioned, you've got a very conveniently located powder bath here under the stairs. So your guests don't have to go upstairs when they're visiting.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, it's definitely an entertainer's home. I love that. And again, this view, as you come, like, it's just, I love it so
Very
much.
inviting. When your guests come in, I mean, how spectacular is that going to be for them to be greeted by this?
Absolutely. All right.
And then as you can see, you had touched on finishes prior, but the LVP up the stairs just adds another level of elegance.
Love it so much. And not only are you close to different things here, but you're so close to all of the Nocatee amenities. You've got the water parks, you've got all your satellite pools. Seabrook Park is so close by. So really, truly living the Nocatee lifestyle here. And of course, all the golf cart paths that take you right there.
And we have a dog-friendly walkable park here within Crosswinds.
Fantastic.
And then, of course, the kids' play area that's fully fenced and covered.
Oh, wow, that's great.
So during those afternoon rainstorms or those heavy heat days, the kids can still play without getting blasted.
So you got 3 bedrooms up here, and then they've got full bath with 2 sinks, which is
double
great.
sinks.
Yeah, I was gonna say no one's fighting.
Exactly. Well, as much.
Yeah, and then again, the beautiful tile work that you guys chose for this home. I love that.
Exactly.
And I know this is kind of something that we don't normally touch on, but I really love the carpet in the bedrooms.
Right.
It's a
quiet
pretty
it down a little bit.
It's a really pretty choice for the rugs. So,
But for the most of the high traffic areas, it's all solid surface, which makes it very convenient.
Definitely.
Easy to clean.
Okay. All right, well, let's head back downstairs.
Perfect.
All right, John, well, now that we're back downstairs at this beautiful home, please remind the viewers where we are at and how they can get in contact with you.
Absolutely. I'm in Crosswinds of Nocatee. This Seahorse plan, this 2,400 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, is available now. And we also have 13 other opportunities that you can come and visit. And so come and see me at Crosswinds.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much, John. If you're interested in this home, you definitely want to come here to Crosswinds and talk to John. But we hope you're having a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.